Get ready for Tectonic token massive burning. Tectonic token will be burning one of the biggest crypto coins ever in history. Now, according to the developers of this coin, Tectonic token is preparing and is working towards getting Tectonic token burning. Massive coins. Now, one thing to understand is that Tectonic token have about 500 trillion coins in circulation. Now, burning, half of this coin is not going to be easy. In fact, Tectonic token needs to burn over 5 trillion coins in a single day in order to get this working within the next 1 year. But I believe and I know it's not going to be easy, but if Tectonic can at least burn 1 trillion coin every day, they need to launch a better project, because I know that the holders of this coin, they are the ones that need to really support Tectonic token by burning 70 to 80% of what they are actually holding. If you would take a look at Tectonic token, you discover that this coin is a new coin, and this coin is gotten the attention of many people. But what is really pushing a lot of people back is because Tectonic token does not have a platform, a standard platform that can motivate its community to really start massively burning their crypto coins. But just like the Tectonic token need to work on that. They really need to work on something that will really push the price of Tectonic token, something that will really burn off the price of Tectonic token. I believe with this, Tectonic token is really going to increase in price, and I hope that Tectonic token will eventually at least pump before the end of next year in order to prepare a better 2023. Remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.